after crossing all this, we are now, let me show you. Whoops, that will be a jump, guys. Let me leave the phone because I need to jump this little thing. And now we have our secret beach. We arrived, and here the sand is much wider. How cool is that? We came from there all across this stuff and we got here, which is definitely not the best thing in the world, but we made it. Gorgeous, only for us. Crazy beautiful. On top of that, on top of all that adventure we have there, take a look here. Oh, child, amazing. Why? Because of the calcium of the shells. So beautiful, guys. This is paradise, straight from Costa Rica, and this secret beach. When you have the whole beach and bay just for yourself. Amazing, guys. Take a look. Let me reverse the camera, guys. I found paradise in Costa Rica. It's just too gorgeous. Raw, beautiful nature. Entire beach, only for ourselves. The footprints, the ones we left when we were coming, and now we are coming back. This is just gorgeous. This is amazing, for real, guys. The forest, some kind of mangrove growing there, and the sun came to say hello. Little crabs and life. This is the real deal.